My name is Arish Shinde and I am a 7th grader. So here's the story of my TED journey. So I joined the Ryan's TED Club 10 months ago, and it was about making an idea and turning it into a speech to be told on this stage over here today. And I thought, yeah, this is gonna be easy. And that's where I was wrong, cause this is what I went through. First, the club leader and the teacher told us to think of an idea, and they told it could be about anything. And then, as soon as I heard the word anything, my brain flooded with ideas. Like, for example, I had an idea about an iron golem sort of thing, and an iron golem is an NPC, which is a non-player character from my favorite game, Minecraft, and it basically defends villagers from other foreign mobs. Like, mobs is they are monsters like zombies, skeletons, and all of that sorts, but we don't have those in real life. So I thought, why not mix the Iron Golem and the Tony Stark's Iron Man suit together to kind of make an hybrid for to fight for us in battles. So humans will control those robots, but remotely. They will have they will have controllers which will follow the robot, which will send the robot a signal about going ahead, stopping, shooting, and all of that sorts. But then I trashed that idea really quickly. Then I had another idea, and it was really not possible. So the idea was that there would be a big plant sort of thing, and it would it would come up from the ground, right? And instead of using an elevator, the plant would have a leaf on which humans would stand on, and the leaf would take the human up wherever they wanted to go. But that can't be possible, and if it is possible, well, I've got my past self to thank for. Yes, and then I had a total of 4 ideas, and these are 2 already. So I'll quickly explain you the 4 ideas, but I just submitted the 2 ideas, and then I didn't submit the other 2 because they would kick me out of the club for changing ideas too often. And so the third idea, the third idea was to make kind of to make a brain scanner, but then I found out that it's actually somebody already made it. So basically my idea was to, instead of putting children in exams, we could put on brain scanners, and those brain scanners could tell us how high the IQ level of the student is, or how much they know of the chapter. And instead of writing, cause I am a really lazy writer, um, I thought of that, cause I would have to write less. Of course, we still have to write in our papers and our names and all of that. So basically, it would scan your brain for all the answers on that certain topic. For example, if it's history, it would scan my brain for history, for the subject of history, and if there were any answers for the subject of history, it would take them and put it on paper for us, for students. And then, of course, I had another one. So the last one was, why not use mental maths in maths exams instead of written maths and writing the whole paper? Why can't you just write the answers? Because that's what really needed in the real world out there. So um, basically those ideas were my 4 ideas, and I hope you liked my speech. And in the end, the main part about making a good speech on TED is just come up with a good idea and then break it down. Like, for example, if I had the iron golem idea, right? You could control it remotely. So instead of controlling it remotely, we would put in humans, and though the iron golem suit would be used as sort of a armor, you know. So if there are if you have a bit too much of a crazy idea, just scale it down a bit and it will become a good idea. And also the second way, you could find out a problem which the world has, and then you could find the answer to that solution and then make something out of that solution. For example, like I made the plant idea, it was because there is a lot of iron and other sorts of ores used in making lifts, and a lot of electricity is used too. So instead of that, we could feed the plant with water, sunlight and air, and it would grow and it would instead make a lift. But that's too much. So you could, for example, you could, instead of using um, really strong rods of steel, instead of that you could use hybrid vines which are really strong, like the steel wires, and you could use them to um, take the lift up and down. So yeah, the main idea is do whatever you like and make your ideas. But if your ideas are too crazy, just scale them down a bit, cause yeah, you can't just say that I want to make what I want to make a planet. Instead, just scale it down and you can say you want to make, I don't know, a telescope, and so a new sort of telescope, like there are kaleidoscopes and all of that. So yeah, thank you.